Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
सरकार टॅक्सीवाल्यां खातीर जायते येवजणे हाडटा, मात येवजणेक टॅक्सीवाल्यांचो जाय तसो रिस्पॉन्स आजून दिसलो ना. आतां टॅक्सीवाल्यां खातीर ड्रायव्हरांची उदरगत स्कीम हाडपाचो प्लॅन. येरादारी मंत्री माविनान ब्रेस्तारा संचालक आनी स्टेक होल्डरां वांगडा बसका घेतली.
Just now today I had a meeting with my director as well as all the ADTs were called. We are trying to get a app-based system where everybody can go on the app of their choice and they will all be having one particular fare for the trip wherein the driver is benefited. I can give you a copy of the thing being propagated so that you are able to publicize it properly. It has already, I will be getting the draft publication done as well, wherein those on the app need not put a meter. What was their thing? They have to spend so much of money for putting a new meter. Every year there are annual charges. There are no annual charges.
No, but will this be a new app now, or this will be a
We are not. They can go on any app they want. Understood? No. It is going to be a system where they will be able, but the rates will be as notified by the government.
मजगती आता ही येवजण टॅक्सीवाले आपणायतले की हाकाय विरोध करतले हें पळोवचें पडटलें. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.